Welcome back to the Shady Spot. The 2026 CR-V is gearing up to shake the calm world of compact SUVs, and today we're breaking down why it's arriving with more attitude, capability, and confidence than ever. Honda's long-running favorite has always been known for comfort, reliability, and everyday ease. But this next update aims to sharpen every corner of the experience. The current generation launched in 2023 with a balanced package, yet the fresh revision pushes styling, tech, and performance further than before. One of the biggest additions is the upcoming TrailSport variant, a trim crafted for light adventure duty rather than hardcore off-roading. It brings a tougher look, drawing influence from Honda's more rugged siblings. Expect chunkier tires, extra ride height, and suspension tweaks designed to smooth out uneven paths. Isn't it interesting how a small lift can change the whole personality of an SUV? Honda has already confirmed the TrailSport will pair exclusively with the hybrid setup. Speaking of power, the CR-V will continue offering both gas and hybrid engines. The hybrid remains the stronger performer, producing 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, while the standard gasoline engine provides 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet. The hybrid also wins on fuel economy, reaching up to 43 mpg in the city and 36 on the highway, compared to 28 city and 34 highway in gasoline form. Inside, Honda is expected to grow the technology footprint. The current layout uses 8.0 and 9.0-inch touchscreens, but the refreshed model may adopt larger displays with sharper graphics. The existing 7-inch digital gauge cluster might evolve into a wider, more detailed unit with clearer driving data. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto should continue as standard features, with wireless versions likely becoming more widely available. Wouldn't a bigger, cleaner interface make long drives feel more modern? Safety remains a priority. The 2025 CR-V earned a 5-star overall rating and a top safety pick designation, but its updated moderate overlap crash test exposed an area needing refinement. Honda is expected to adjust the structure for the 2026 model to enhance protection and maintain strong crash test performance. The CR-V continues to be a sales powerhouse. In 2024, more than 402,000 units were sold in the United States, marking an 11% boost from the previous year. With that momentum, Honda is preparing updates for the HR-V and gearing up to reintroduce the Prelude as a hybrid coupe before 2025 ends. As the 2026 CR-V approaches launch, its refinements in design, capability, and features aim to keep it among the most complete compact SUVs available. Whether commuting or heading outdoors, it's built to deliver a confident, balanced experience.